In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of LinkedIn. If you're finished using your account and want to safely log out, the process is very quick and easy. Signing out is especially useful if you're on a shared computer, using a public device, or simply want to make sure no one else can access your LinkedIn profile after you're done. To begin, look toward the top right corner of the LinkedIn website. There you'll see the Me option. This is the section that gives you access to your account-related settings and profile options. Go ahead and click Me to open the drop-down menu. Once that menu appears, look through the available options until you find Sign Out. Click on Sign Out to log out of your LinkedIn account, and that's all there is to it. The sign-out process only takes a moment, and once you click that option, LinkedIn will log you out right away. The next time you visit LinkedIn, you'll be asked to log in again before you can access your account. That means you'll need to enter your login details to get back in, which helps keep your account secure when you've signed out properly. As a quick tip, if you're using your own personal device and you prefer convenience, some browsers may keep your login information saved. But if you're on a device that other people can use, signing out completely is always the better choice for privacy and security. So anytime you're done browsing jobs, checking messages, updating your profile, or networking on LinkedIn, just head to the top right, click Me, and then select Sign Out. That's the full process for signing out of LinkedIn, and as you can see, it's very simple and straightforward.